I have often been mistaken for a drag queen, so I feel very comfortable around you four.
Yes.
So here's the thing. Drag queens actually originated a lot of the slang terms that the youths are using.
Yes.
So I'm gonna tell you a word, you tell me what it means. Got it?
Yes.
Got it.
Done.
Beat.
It's when your face, your makeup is immaculate and it's on point.
Would you say that I'm beat?
Daytime beat.
Daytime fish, yeah.
Nordstrom fish beat.
Ooh, Nordstrom fish.
Is that English?
For us, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Realness.
For me, realness means an accurate outward presentation of something you're trying to serve. Like right now, this look is loofah realness, because this looks a bit like a loofah.
Serving, is that just another word for giving?
Presenting.
Presenting. You are serving me orange realness.
Orange realness?
That's very basic, I think.
I have a university education and this is much more complicated. I'm here for it.
Honey, I'm here for this realness.
I'm here for it, like I'm fully present. I have all the time in the world for whatever you're serving me.
And you are here for this.
But I'm actually here for this.
It's physically present, but emotionally and mentally present as well.
So I'm here for this, but I am here for it.
Yes. Yes.
So I say the word okay, but apparently I've been saying it wrong. It's okay.
No, it's
Okay, now Aaron Brackovich, you're the lawyer here. Why would I say okay instead of just okay?
Because you're gay.
Oh. I can't thank you enough for this lesson, but if I walk around using terms that you taught me here, I'm not gonna get in trouble?
You might.
A lot of drag terminology is like a sequin cocktail dress. It should only be used in the evening time amongst friends.
Well said.